In the bright heart of Nzeri village, two friends woke to another day of laughter and dreams. Chickens scatter as Obi bursts through the village, his laughter echoing in the tranquil morning air. Amaka, last in the forest, buys roasted corn, Obi shouts, his eyes sparkling with mischief. Amaka's playful retort pierces the morning calm. Not fair you started early! Beyond the fields lay the great forest keeper of many secrets. It's so still, like the trees are watching us. Let's pick flowers for Mama. Wait, something shiny. Amaka whispers, it's a box! Beneath the soil, an ancient secret waited to breathe again. Maybe it's treasure. We should find out who lost it, Amaka replied. But what if it's ours now? Obi declared. Papa says what isn't yours can never bless you, Amaka replied. Even small hearts can choose what's right. Obi smiling. Then let's find the owner. Together they carried truth in their hands. At the village edge, an old man watched them return. That chest! Where did you find it? Aku asked. In the forest, sir. We thought someone lost it, Amaka answered. My father's box, gone for 30 years, said Aku with some emotions. Memories long asleep awoke in the old man's eyes. You brought back more than treasure, Aku replied. The village gathered, singing praises of honesty. So honesty does bring joy, Obi exclaimed. You have pure hearts, both of you, Aku declared. In Nzeri, truth became the new gold. And as the sun dipped low, two friends carried a new kind of treasure. For the heart that tells the truth will always shine brightest.